Good afternoon everybody, this is Jacques van der Westhuizen from Lowveld Wood Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build your own duplicating wood cutting lathe with just a few things that is also very much available to anyone. First of all, we have our running center that I've made from a grinder head, which I only attach to a piece of wood so that it runs center with my machine. Then I've got my cutting table, and I don't know if you guys can see here on the front, I've got a little pin there at the bottom which lines up perfectly with my cutting tool on the top there, and it's just connected with a wooden block on a slide that goes forward and backward. On the bottom of it I just put some normal slides, some normal ones for the length cutting. Now I'm going to attach this to the table. as you guys can see, I've got control for sliding left, right, forward and backward. Now the next step, if you want to duplicate something, you have to make yourself a template like this, which fits underneath your cutting area. All depends on how thick you want your final product to be. You can adjust your slide, your guide to whatever size you want to cut, and then you just tighten it onto the table. Not onto the slide, onto the table, guys. If you're going to put this onto the slide, it's going to move with your slide. So you attach this just slightly above your cutting table with some spaces on the bottom. You attach this to your table. Afterwards you can put in your running center there and secure them with some bolts. I've got 4 holes, big holes here. Maybe M10, M8, all depends on how deep you've cut your slots or how wide you cut them. You can attach them, you can fasten them there with those bolts. Then you've got your motor. Take your piece of material, you put it inside there. Put it inside there. See, this has already been pre-cut, so this is just for demonstrating. That's right. And that's it, guys. Start up and go in with your guide there. You can go in with that marker I showed you on the bottom of my tool. That is going to go up against your jig that you've made for cutting that specific form. And that's it, guys. That's building your own duplicating wood cutting lathe. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Send me some likes. If you have some comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. You're more than welcome. And thank you very much. Have a blessed day.